Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will learn step-by-step tutorial for beginners on how to draw Keroppi. First of all, make circles for the two eyes. You can make it with a pencil first. Then draw two curved lines for the cheeks. Then draw the mouth. After that, draw a line for the body. Then draw the legs. After that, draw the hands. Then start drawing the shirt and tie. Now, you can start coloring the image. Start by coloring the eyes. Then the tie. Then color the clothes red with white stripes. After that, you can color the head, hands, and body with green color. Once finished, continue by drawing the outline with a thick marker. You can add shadows to make a three-dimensional impression. Please like and subscribe to support this channel so we can continue to bring you more valuable content. And your image is complete.